Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas, pretty much center strip. We're going to check out the Flamingo Hotel and Casino today. And I just showed you a picture of the Margaritaville. It was open for the last few days on my last visit. It is now closed permanently. Wah, wah. Flamingo's is a Caesars Entertainment property, and it's the longest operating hotel and casino here on the Las Vegas Strip. The resort was originally proposed by Billy Wilkerson, founder of The Hollywood Reporter, who purchased the land in 1945. Early in the following year, he partnered with a trio of mobsters to obtain financing. Among his partners was Benjamin Bugsy Siegel, who proceeded to take over the $1 million project to Wilkerson's dismay. Construction costs rose under Siegel's management with a final price of $6 million, which back then was a fortune. Today, well, I guess it's still considered a fortune, but not so much for a project like this. Let's head inside and see what's going on at the Flamingo. I've stayed at the Flamingo 3 or 4 times. I'm starting to lose count with all the times I visit Las Vegas and all the other places I visit, but I believe it was most likely 3 times, and I always say that Flamingo is a great value here on the Las Vegas Strip. The rooms are relatively inexpensive compared to other hotels and casinos, and the location is fantastic. When you step out the front door, you are center strip right on the Las Vegas Strip, and when you go out the side doors, you are led right into the Link Promenade, a major social hub here in Las Vegas. The Link has tons of restaurants and bars and attractions, as well as that high roller, the observation wheel here on the Las Vegas Strip. And of course, if you're interested, there are videos on the Link Promenade, the Las Vegas Strip, the rooms that I stayed here at the Flamingo, as well as the Flamingo's pools and habitats. They're all available on videos here on the New York channel. But today we are just focusing on the hotel and the casino. We're pretty much at the area of the front desk here, and as with most Caesars properties, they have check-in kiosks, which are very important here because the lines here at the Flamingo can get very long. The Flamingo itself has plenty of shopping as well as restaurants, and again, there's that Link Promenade right outside with more shopping and restaurants as well. The Flamingo is also home to one of the monorail stations. It drops you off right at the back of the building here, connecting you to pretty much all of the Las Vegas Strip. If you don't feel like walking from one end to the other, the monorail is right here in the building. Again, the perfect location. The Flamingo has a 72,000 square foot casino and a 28-story hotel with 3,460 rooms. Certainly not the largest hotel and casino here on the Las Vegas Strip, but it's packed with a lot of charm. The 3-story hotel, the last remaining structure from the original Flamingo, was demolished in 1993, helping make way for the final high-rise addition. A portion of this property was also redeveloped into a new 15-acre pool area accompanied by an animal habitat which includes actual flamingos. The resort also hosted numerous entertainers, including an 11-year residency for the musical duo Donnie and Marie Osmond that concluded in 2019. Don't forget, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, why not subscribe if you haven't done so already by clicking on that little New York logo in the lower right hand corner of your screen. And if you're enjoying this video in particular, why not give it a thumbs up? Both really do help the channel out, and I do appreciate your support, guys. I'm sensing a flamingo theme here in the gift shop. What do you think? These doors by the cafe here lead out to the habitat and pool area. It's nighttime, not going to see too much now, but again, those videos are available here elsewhere on the New York channel. Outside here in the Habitat is Carlos and Charlie's, a really good Mexican restaurant. I've eaten there a couple of times, and they have alfresco dining out here as well as indoor dining inside the hotel. As we continue to make our way towards the back of the building, we have some more shops. We have the valet drop-off and pickup area. We have the parking garage as well as the entrance to the monorail. There's also a business center back here if you need to get some work done. I suppose that's if you're visiting Vegas for work-related issues. And again, wah wah. The Flamingo has two very nice pools, especially considering the price of this place compared to other hotels and casinos. It has a family pool as well as this pool, the Go Pool, which is a very popular day club as well. The casino is small compared to other casinos here on the Las Vegas Strip, but it's got a pretty good variety of slot machines as well as table games, just not as much as everyone else. And here is the inside entrance to Carlos and Charlie's, that Mexican restaurant we saw outside at the Habitat. I want to get through some more hotels and casino videos here, and then I'm going to start a new series of the restaurants on all the hotels and casinos here in the Las Vegas Strip, including the Flamingo. It'll go into detail on all the restaurants in these hotels and casinos. Pretty much like the series I'm finishing up here in Atlantic City. This corridor will take you to the popular Link Promenade, one of my favorite hangouts here in Las Vegas. This bakery actually isn't a bakery, it's a speakeasy and a storefront for Bugsy and Myers, the steakhouse here at the Flamingo. It used to be a speakeasy, not so much these days. Hey, if you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, whether it be a vacation or on business, then check out the Las Vegas playlist here on the New York channel. It'll really help you make your plans with regards to hotels, casinos, restaurants, shopping, any kind of attractions they have here in Las Vegas. Just check out that playlist and it's really going to help you plan your vacation or business trip out. Here we have the Count Room, which is right off the casino floor, which is a speakeasy. Open those doors and you walk into a bar. The food court here at the Flamingo has a Bonanno's New York Pizzeria, Johnny Rockets, a Wing Zone, and a Nathan's Famous Aunt Annie's pretzel place. It should be noted, opening up very soon, this summer as a matter of fact, will be another Gordon Ramsay burger, much needed here on the Las Vegas Strip. There's only one at Planet Hollywood, always a long line, fantastic burgers. And also Lisa Vanderpump is opening up her third lounge or restaurant here on the Las Vegas Strip. It's going to be called Pinky's, and that's opening up here at the Flamingo soon as well. There's several shows here at the Flamingo, including X, which is a burlesque show, a RuPaul's drag show, as well as the iconic Wayne Newton, still performing here at the Flamingo. This is the famous Bird Bar, great for people watching, located right on the Strip. It was just recently closed to make room for that brand new Gordon Ramsay burger restaurant, and the Lisa Vanderpump restaurant Pink will be taking over the poker room here at the Flamingo. I hope you enjoyed our little tour of the Flamingo, and if you'd like to help support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button. Doing so not only helps support the channel, but it'll get you a shout out on an upcoming video here on the New York channel. I do appreciate your support, guys. It makes videos like this one possible. And again, Margaritaville is now closed. They lost their lease, but that's not to say they're not going to show up somewhere else on the Las Vegas Strip. Time will tell.